Hi guys, welcome to Desi Boy's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make gajrela, right? Which is carrot halwa. You know, it's so easy, right? And a lot of people, it's a big hype about it. Gajar Ka Halwa, it takes so long to make it. Guys, it's so easy, right? I'm gonna show you step by step. And the measurements has to be right to cook this. So the key is a measurement, right? And how long you cook it. So I'm gonna show you very easy, right? In fact, making a carrot halwa is like piece of cake. Oh, basically it's a piece of carrot cake, right? Let me show you how it's done, right? So what I've taken here is 8 cups of grated carrot, right? And 4 cups of milk and 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee, right? A lot of people put a lot of ghee in it, and I rather don't like too much ghee and too much oil and things. So I only taken 2 tablespoons, right? They are more than enough, guys, right? So, and what I've taken is 2 tablespoons, this is 1 teaspoon of cardamom, which is I crushed it. So look at that, right? It's just crushed, right? And I've taken cashew nuts. So you can take more or less. I've just taken about 25 cashews and I've just like sort of grinded them. And then I have got almonds and pistachios, right? A 10 of each. So I've grinded them as well. These almonds and pistachios, right? They're just to garnish them. So these we're gonna put inside while we are cooking, and this we're just gonna garnish them, right? Okay, so that's all done, guys. Yeah, guys, just make sure you take a non-stick pan, because we're not gonna put a lot of oil in it or a ghee in it to make it. Sometimes when you go to the shops and you buy Gajar Halwa, it's full of fat, full of ghee, right? I'm gonna try to make it low fat as possible, because as you know, I promote healthy cooking, healthy living. So what I've got is here the pan. So all we're gonna do is we're just gonna add our carrots. I'm gonna chuck all of them in, right? And I'm just gonna add 4 cups, right, of milk. Right. So it's gonna be reduced, right, once carrots soak all this milk, right? I must say, right, when you're making a carrot halwa, right, you must stand near the pan, right, near the cooker, because you don't want this to stick to the pan, because if once it stick to the pan, it doesn't taste right, guys. So don't go away and start texting your friends and start watching TV, right? Make some time, make you some free time to cook, right? Cooking is really relaxing. I love cooking, right? It makes me relax, right? And it's like my meditation, right? So make sure you don't go away and start talking to your friends on the phone or on Facebook, right? So stay near the pan, right? Right, guys, it's been on the pan for half an hour. Look at that, milk has been reduced. So I'm just gonna add my cardamoms in here, the crushed cardamom seeds. So it will give you a really nice, awesome smell to it. So if you look at it, right, whole of the milk, right, most of the milk has been reduced, right? I'm just gonna like chase a little bit off this. Right, my carrots are done. If your carrots are not done, you can add a little bit more milk and just stir it for another 10 minutes. For me, my carrots are done now because I've just tasted them. So all we're gonna do is, right, we're gonna just add our sugar into it. I put 1.5 cup, right? If you don't have the sweet tooth, right, you can always put a 1 cup. That will be not too much sugar in it. So it's up to you how much sugar you want to put, but don't put more than 1.5 cup, guys, yeah? So the sugar is gonna like is getting melted, so we just have to reduce this as well, yeah? And keep on stirring until all the sugars get mixed into it. Right, I've been getting a lot of messages from our viewers, right? They're saying they want to lose weight, and I'm just cooking bhaturas, I'm making sweet dishes. Guys, I just want to share something with you is, right? The way you put on by eating cakes, imagine how much saturated fat is in the cakes. The biscuits, right? How much saturated fat is in the biscuit? 2 or 3 biscuits in the morning, there's so much fat in them, right? And bhajia you eat, right? There's a lot of fat. Chocolates, right? Crisps, right? They've got fat in them, right? And the takeaways you keep on ordering, right? You don't know how much saturated fat's in them. This is right, it's not that fattening, right? All it's got is a carrots, right? Carrots, and I'm only going to put in 2 tablespoons of ghee, right? Milk is good for you, it's got calcium in, and the carrots are good for you. It's got a lot of vitamins inside, right? So, but after this recipe, right, I will be making, right, a lot of low-fat recipes to reduce weight. And so follow me on Instagram and subscribe if you have not already subscribed, right, so you don't miss out my low-fat recipe, how to reduce a body fat. The half an hour after putting my sugar in to reduce the halwa, right? So there is no sugar water in it anymore. So look at that, right? So I'm just gonna add my ghee, which is 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna add my milk powder and my cashews. I'm just gonna So at this point, you gotta really make sure that it doesn't stick to the pan. It's all got together. There's hardly any oil, and if you look at my pan, nothing is stuck to my pan, right? So this is done, right? All I've done here is, I'm gonna switch this off. I've taken this baking paper in the tray. I'm just gonna add everything on this to this tray. Look at this, my pan, right? Nothing stuck to the pan. It's because I've been stirring. It's keep on stirring, right? That's just done. And I'm just gonna bring up my nuts on the top. So cover all of your tray. To dab these, the nuts to go inside my halwa. Right guys, I've left it to cool for a couple of hours. There you go, look at that. Let's Is it like you get it from the shops? Wow. This is my favorite sweet dish. Wow. It got amazing taste, guys, right? We got crunch of the nuts, right? the sugar is right balanced. There's hardly any ghee in it, so it tastes really good. So try making it, guys. It doesn't take that long. Like I said, it took me 1 hour and 10 minutes to make it. Try making it, right, and enjoy it. Keep on cooking. Today's shout goes to Tony and Manjeet Sohal from Derby. If you leave this in the fridge, it will last you for 6 days. In my house, it will last 6 hours. So guys, thank you for watching. Please carry on cooking. Send me your comments, and please like, subscribe and share my videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.